In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download PPT from Gamma I 2026, step by step. If you've built a deck in Gamma and you want a PowerPoint version, you can edit offline or share with the team. This walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it. The process is simple. Go to Gamma, upgrade your workspace if needed, and then export your presentation as a PowerPoint file. I'll explain what to click, what to expect, and a few tips so your download works the first time. Start by opening Gamma in your browser. Once you're in your workspace, look to the top right corner for your profile menu. Click that and choose Upgrade. This takes you to the Plans page. To enable PowerPoint exporting without watermarks, pick a paid plan that fits your needs. You'll see options that typically differ by features and usage limits. Choose the one you need, confirm the subscription, and wait for the upgrade to complete. Paid plans remove the watermark automatically when you export, so you don't have to do anything extra later. After your upgrade is active, return to your workspace and open the presentation you want to download. Inside the deck, find the export option, usually available from the Share or More menu in the top bar. Select Export, then choose PowerPoint, often labeled as .ptx. Gamma will prepare your file. Depending on the size of your deck, this might take a moment. Keep the tab open while the export runs. You'll see a prompt when it's ready to download. Once the file is downloaded, open it in PowerPoint to review the slides. Give the layout a quick check. Make sure fonts, images, and spacing look as expected. If your team uses specific brand fonts, confirm they're installed on your computer. Otherwise, PowerPoint may substitute them. If you included speaker notes in Gamma, look for them in the Notes panel in PowerPoint. Save your file to a clear location so you can share it easily or upload it to your preferred collaboration tool. If you still see a watermark after exporting, it usually means the export happened before the plan change took effect. Refresh Gamma, confirm you're on a paid plan in your profile, and export the same deck again. If the export option isn't visible, make sure you've opened the deck itself rather than just the folder view and that you have permission to export that file. That's it. Go to Gamma,